is not my first musical, no. My first musical was
Yes, sir.
Walang Aray. Under PETA din siya. And I was with Alexa. Yeah. Yeah, she knows. She's super excited for this. Nung same night, nung nalaman ko na ako si Arnel dito sa musical na to, tinawagan niya ako. I showed her the screenshot, tapos tinawagan niya ako. Tapos ang saya namin. Like sabi niya, please, I'll watch you all the time.
Boy, dreaming of a different path, originally played by, of course, Raymond Lauchenko. We have two talented guys who will be setting the stage ablaze. Ladies and gents, help me to welcome Ethan David and Katie Estrada. Hello, boys. Hello, greet everybody first.
Hello everyone, I'm Ethan David po. Thank you for coming.
I am Katie Estrada. Thank you for coming. Hello po.
Grabe, we have two Arnels here on stage. Grabe. Katie, you've been doing theater for quite some time also, tulad ni Nobel, di ba? So, how's the experience so far working with all of these incredible talents we have? Of course, these boys and some of the boys backstage. Kamusta yung pakiramdam?
Ako, I feel so happy to be back in theater and I'm very happy to be meeting new people also. Lalo na yung mga katropa ko dito, yung mga bagets ko. And it's just been so fun and feel ko talaga parang tropa na kami, like in the movie, yeah.
Actually, di ba parang bagets is just easy to love. It's easy to love. Ethan, is this your first time doing theater?
Yes, it's my first time in the professional. I've been doing pero sa school. Pero it's so nerve-wracking to be with this cast po. I know some of them, pero syempre it's my first time working with Katie and Jeff, Noel. So, ninervous po ako kasi sanay lang po ako maging sa boy group po right now with GAT. Sanay ako doon. So that's my comfort zone, and being in theater is a lot different.
Different world.
Different world. It's gonna be harder for me, honestly. Kasi
I'm sure you got this, Ethan. Come on. Come on.
Turuan mo na lang ako, saluhin mo ako. Pag absent ako, ikaw na lang muna.
Ano ba, that's the good thing about you guys. Tulungan talaga kayo dito, no? Hilahin pataas.
Yes. Lagi kaming nagko-collaborate with each other.
We would love to see that pag nag-ano na kayo, nag-start.